If you haven't started using ChatGPT to 10x your productivity and start your side hustle, what are you waiting for? It can help you do faster research, write better emails, write better scripts, even read more books and be healthier. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 10 ways that I have been using ChatGPT since it's been released on November 30th, 2022, starting off with number 1, and that's as a replacement for Google search. And simply ask it a question like, what is the best diet for someone looking to lose weight? And it will tell you. And it tells you a pretty good idea of what someone looking to lose weight should do, and also that there's no single best diet. But best of all, you can expand on it, and look, there are no ads, no affiliate links, or anything to worry about someone pushing a product. Now, Microsoft Edge has just come out with their new Bing search engine, which have AI-powered chat built in. I'll be doing a video later, so make sure to subscribe. I'll compare Chrome with the new AI Bing Microsoft Edge software, so you can actually get up-to-date information from the internet with the ChatGPT powered AI. The next thing you can do is you can summarize YouTube videos, articles, or blogs by simply copying and pasting the transcript from the YouTube videos, or copying the blog right off the website and pasting it into the ChatGPT interface. Simply go to the YouTube, go to the transcript, toggle off the timestamp, copy it all, paste it in. You can go to the TED Talk that you saw many years ago, and remember the key points, remember how it made you feel, and take the key takeaways. You can also ask ChatGPT to summarize a book and ask it for 5 actionable insights to take action today. Next, if you're studying for an exam or any type of certification test, you can use ChatGPT's little chat boxes as instances or a study session, so you can put all your notes in there, get ready for any part of an exam, and then go back to it whenever you need a refresher on the subject matter. ChatGPT remembers those chat boxes and everything that you put in there, so if you ever needed it to refresh your memory by giving you a quiz, you can actually ask it to generate quiz questions. Looking to learn another language? ChatGPT can actually quiz you and talk to you in other languages as well to help you learn quicker. Now finally, side hustlers, we have our content creation portion. ChatGPT is excellent in writing and producing blogs, resumes, emails, any kind of content creation you want, it can do it. You just have to let it know what you want. You want 5 paragraphs documenting the financial crisis of 2008? It can do that. You want 5 paragraphs notating how much better Coke is than Pepsi? It'll do that for you too. Just make sure you contextualize it so it knows where it's going. LinkedIn post, Twitter post, the content you want, the tone you want it in, and of course fact check before you send it out there, because it's generated some crazy hallucinations when I tried. So make sure you fact check like you would anything else, reword it so it's still in your voice, and then go ahead and produce it. Building on writing content, ChatGPT also is a great editor. It can take emails you've written, Word documents you've written, and rewrite them in a more conversational tone, in a more entertaining tone. You can even have fun with it and write it in a Roman tone, or a old Western tone, or a pirate tone even if you wanted to. Do those things to make it more entertaining, laughable, or give you a new spin on things to try and get you more creative. Another interesting thing to test out is to have it write in the voice of someone else, or have it reword it in a voice of a popular writer. Or if you give it enough of your own wording or your own style of writing, it can even emulate how you would write something. So give that a try if you wanted to see how well it can emulate your writing. Number 6, ChatGPT is really great at brainstorming. It can generate business ideas, titles. If you give it enough input, it can actually copy psychological hacks, title formats that work, LinkedIn post formats that work, and help you really generate these ideas that you can kind of emulate and copy to help you generate better scripts, better titles, better thumbnails, and just better over content, so that you can help yourself think further, faster, and generate ideas when you're kind of thinking all in within yourself. ChatGPT can be that idea bouncer offer to help you take your business to the next level. Speaking about brainstorming, it's not just business only. You can have ChatGPT tell you about dinner recommendations and even give you recipes. And it's much faster than navigating to those recipe websites that hit you with videos, pop-ups, affiliate links, where you can't even find the recipe at the end of the day. So it's much better. And if you can't figure out what to cook, you can give it all the items you have in your kitchen cabinets and it'll think of something to cook. Might not taste very good, but it's a start. Number 7, next, ChatGPT can actually help you with your health and fitness. ChatGPT can start you off with a meal plan, an exercise plan, and even start you off with getting groceries for starting off this meal plan and building you a full-on routine. You can start by telling it what you have at home as far as what you can do for exercise, telling it any dietary restrictions that you have, and build out a week-long, month-long, year-long schedule all within its application. From there, you can take it on, put it on a spreadsheet, and boom, you don't have to hire a trainer, hire anybody else, or go buy one of those expensive programs. On that same notion of health, it can also help in the wealth department. I am a licensed financial advisor, and I actually had ChatGPT walk me through how it would make a financial plan for me, and it did a great job. Now granted, you still have to kind of know what to ask it, but it's a pretty good start, and you can have it build you your own financial plan. If you want me to make a video on what I would do and what questions I would ask it, put that in the comments down below, but it can be your own personal financial advisor AI. Number 9, it can help you in the mental health department. You can type in, I'm feeling anxious and overwhelmed, and it will actually give you what to do, like you were talking to somebody. You can ask it for some actionable tips or strategies on what to do now. It will give you meditation strategies, and it gives you research and ideas so you can help analyze your current situation. Now, of course, it will tell you to seek out professional and medical expertise, but for the time being, in the actual moment, it can help you there. Number 10, optimize your time and maximize your efficiency for your life and all your endeavors. ChatGPT is our first glimpse of what is possible with AI. Many of the new tools and applications being developed now are just the tip of the iceberg of what AI can do. Autonomous GPT is being created where we just give it a task and it does it. We give it a goal and it can figure it out. But if you want to learn how to actually install and use ChatGPT and how to best talk to it to get the best results, be sure to watch my beginner's guide on ChatGPT, how to install it and how to talk to it and how to be a better prompt engineer so you can get the best answers fastest, save you time and money, and get you starting your side hustle, making money, and beginning your journey on building that life that your side hustle can make for you.